Welcome to school room. Hello everyone, and welcome back to school. So we had our video making our platformer game 2. So I hope you are ready for our new game. The file that we used before, we are just going to use it right now. So we're going to make a new one afresh. Remember, save all your projects in a file that you can remember. So we click file, and then we will see the button new. We double click it, and then you show something over here, and our first option will be new empty project. We double click that. I need to close the project because there's something I forgot to do. If I click it now, you still remember we changed the properties. Width 1708 and height 960. Okay, so now to minimize our screen, we click the minus bar again. Now let's get started. We are going to make a new character differently this time. I'm going to start by drawing his hair, this color green, and then changing it to color black. Size 15, size 10. Well, it doesn't really matter about the looks. Now just draw his legs and his hands. I'm going to fill it in up with yellow. And here's our little guy. And here is, oh yeah, I forgot, click the crop button, which is right over here. Guess polygon shape. It's pretty okay. Wait. Okay, so here's our little man. Now we double click again, double click sprite. Now we're just going to fill it in up with just brown, just like the same way we did before. Now we resize it. Look at the size of the stone. Now we copied central C and space it central B, and I'm going to put it here. Central B. I'm going to put it here. Central B. I'm going to put it here. Central B. Put that there. Central B. It is there too. Central B. Just this is okay. Aha! So here's how it looks. Now we double click. Now we double click our first block. We hit behaviors, add solid. That's all. And if you want to test it out, you know where to click. Run layout. Oh yeah, I forgot. We aren't yet ready to test it out. Behaviors. What should I do? So bound to layout. Scroll to platform. Aha! So you know where to click to when you want to go here. So I'm just gonna run it out by myself without you guys seeing, because it may look a little funny, but you could write in the oh yeah, I forgot, I didn't have any comments. So just think about how it looks, and if you don't think the graphics is good enough, well then just try to draw better. Because also want to tell you this isn't my real drawing. I'm just drawing like this to teach us, to teach you how to draw and construct too. Just going to rotate this. Aha. Here we're done with our game. So this video was really short. Oh yeah, we need to add obstacles. So we double click again, double click sprite. Now we start drawing a sprite. You just draw a triangle out of anything, pick another color and fill a thing with that color. So oh yeah, and also crop it and hit that guess polygon shape button and boom. Now we copied Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl V to paste. We're going to make this extra small. Ctrl V here. So I done it again. Oh yeah, so we double click again. We are going to fill it in with something like the color green, because we are going to make acid water. We don't need to add any behaviors for that. We only need to add the codeness for that. And here we are, we're done. Now we go to event sheet, right? It's overlapping with another object. Done. Right. Let's check. So we're done with that. And also yeah, sprite on collision with another object. Sprite 3, done. Sprite destroy. Have a bit of a cut there. We aren't going to add anything here. Oh yeah, yes, I forgot in the last video we added the finish line. This finish line isn't going to look that good, so I'm just drawing rubbish or anything and repeat this polygon shape. forgot to shade that thing. Here's our door, and that's done with that. Now we need to save this. In part 3 we'll add the next layout, or maybe I don't need to do part 3 because in part 1 of the platform game I already taught you how to make a new layout. So we hit the save button right over here. Now we are going to save it inside the file that we are going to remember. I made a file called coding vi, so I don't need to tell you my file. I'm just going to name it teaching people platform. Okay. And while you guys can write learning platformer game, while I'll write teaching people platformer game, you write learning platformer game. Okay, so shall we are done. This video is shorter than others, so ciao for now, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.